Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at A&L RV sales right here in Jackson, Tennessee. Oh my gosh, we got a good little one right here. It's a 2025 Forset Flagstaff Microlite, model number 22FBS. So let's get started. The length on this Microlite is 23 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 5,132 pounds and a hitch weight of 634 with a GVWR of 6,794.
And speaking of hitches, we definitely hope that you stick around to the end of our video. We would love to share a product with you by Proven Industries for a trailer hitch lock. We think that you are really going to like the product that they have. And we are super happy that they have chosen to partner with us. Now, starting up here, you are going to have a power jack on this one, which is nice and convenient. Your propane bottles are going to go under this cover, and your battery will go right here. Actually, you have space for 2 batteries on this one. As he was saying, this one is fairly lightweight. If you have a half-ton pickup, this is going to be perfect.
Right up the alley.
Yes, this is going to make the perfect couples camper for you. All right, here on your pass-through storage, there's quite a bit of stuff in here. This is actually a table that goes on a bracket on the other side. We'll show you when we get over there. And that is a table that goes inside. There's one already in there, so we'll show you that setup also.
And your grill.
And your grill.
Oh my.
Yes, you are actually going to have electric stabilizers under this one, which is so convenient. You're going to have rack and pinion slide on this, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a very wide slide, so that's going to give you some good room on the inside. Coming down, I hope this picks up. This is the prettiest shade of green in their stripes. I just love it. Not an upgraded suspension on this.
Well, yes, they are.
I mean, yes, and
because they have.
Well, it's a different suspension.
They have a different kind of suspension on their own.
Yeah, it's not like the More Ride or the Road Armor. It's a completely different. So it looks different. And your connections are going to be out here.
Water heater.
And water heater with a tank. So let's come back here.
Tank water heater.
Yeah. Looking at the back, you're going to have an outside shower there, spare. You do have a ladder to get to the top, and it is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You also have a bracket down here for an accessory rack, so not for towing. The power awning on this is 18 feet.
Yes.
Yes. So basically, you have a power awning the entire length of this cute little camper. Here is that rack where that little table goes. Spot there that you can bring a TV outside. And here is the other side of your pass-through storage. Actually, it's really very good sized storage. Okay.
All right.
It's a Microlite. It's by Flaggstaff. It's super cute. Let's look at the inside.
This is the first time we've done a Microlite.
It is.
Yeah, because we've done the super lights.
We've done super lights. All right. Coming in, first thing you're going to see is that it is all open. So if you're wanting a nice big open airy feeling, this is going to be one to come look at. But we're going to start.
You want to start back here?
At the very back.
Because I'll let me get out of the way so you can see this.
Yeah, as we come in the door. So your pantry is going to be here at the back, but it does also have a hanging rack at the top. So if you need to take the shelves out and use that as a hanging area, absolutely can do that. You have got a 12-volt compressor fridge with the fridge at the top and the freezer at the bottom.
And I thought I had that off, but I didn't.
And that's why our batteries keep being drained.
Yeah, because these things are... And it's one of these where you can open up from the other side.
Open from the other side.
Yeah.
Yes, just remember to make sure it's completely closed before you try to open it from the other side. Your fuses are going to be down there at the bottom, out of the way.
Go ahead and start showing the kitchen.
Let's show the kitchen because it just is all going to flow right together. You do have some storage up above your sink. Big single basin sink with a high-rise faucet.
Yep.
In case you're interested in the MSRP, there it is. Nice little rack for sponges and scrubbies. Got a drawer and another drawer. And then some more drawers. So it's actually really nice that this smaller camper gives you that many drawers.
Yep.
Now up here we're going to have a smaller microwave with your hood range hood, whichever way it goes. 3-burner cooktop and an oven. And this is solid surface in here, so Flaggstaff did this right. They give you a little extension right there for some extra prep room. Little open storage.
And
a microwave. Now,
that is not a microwave.
I mean,
that is a fireplace.
It's a microwave for your feet.
Yeah, it's a button warmer.
Yeah, I haven't had lunch yet.
Okay.
So, I'm ready for lunch. 32-inch smart TV. I know that because there's a sticker on it.
Yeah, we got a sticker on that one.
I got a sticker this time.
You want to go over here?
You want to come over here? Okay, let me turn around. Now we're in the living room. All right. Now this is that big old slide. It is a nice deep slide, so this is going to get your theater seat all the way out of the way.
Blackout shades.
We showed you one of the tables in the pass-through storage. This is kind of what it looks like when it's set up. So you can twist it around, move it. I think it goes down some more. I couldn't get it all the way down. I couldn't get it adjusted down.
That's perfect.
But hey, that way you can just shovel it right in.
Oh my God, you're so funny.
Anyway, there's some storage up here above all of this. You've got wireless charging, nice big place for your remotes, metal cup holders. I mean,
Yes.
it's all set and ready to go. Now,
All right, bedroom.
now we're in the bedroom. That's why I do like these that are all open. It's just, they're easy to do.
Got the curtains.
You have a curtain here for privacy if you need it. Storage here. And then you've got some drawers underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah, so love that Flagstaff did not waste any of that space there. Also love that they gave you solid surface nightstands. So you've got some hanging there, and you're going to have storage across the top of your bed. And I'm sorry that these blinds are bouncing in here.
One drawer
But
over there.
yeah, your nightstands, you've got drawers, you've got plug-ins back there, reading lights.
Yes, there you
Now,
go.
you have a drawer on that side, and then this side, you're going to have your light switch and your USB and USB-C. Yes.
All right.
And please tell me what that is right down there, right below you, right at your knee. Is that a speaker?
Right here?
Yeah, what is that?
That is, I think, something to do with your solar. I think.
Ah, okay.
I'm not real sure.
Well, there's a neat little contraption down there that we don't know what it is.
All right, we forgot this.
Yes. All right. Now up here, because this is a 30 amp, correct?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, this does not have a fan, so it's not going to be wired for a second AC. So your AC is going to be right up there. While he's out there checking on that,
Yes.
I'll show you this other pantry area. So you actually have two pantries.
Yes, on the 30 amp.
Yes, it is a 30 amp. Now down here, this is going to be an access panel. So no storage, but I do like that they covered it up with a door.
All right. Battery's dying.
Battery is dying a slow, painful death.
Okay.
All right, this has got a radius shower. Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Still no problem with head height in here. He can turn around. Not quite as good as the rectangle showers, though.
I can do a little dance in here.
You do have linen storage, which
That's
is
good.
actually pretty good linen storage to be a small bathroom. They are giving you a porcelain foot flush toilet, a mirrored medicine cabinet.
Oh, right.
Is this solid surface in here too?
No.
No, not
No.
in the bathroom. But good size sink. Do give you a plug-in. You can put a little bit of stuff in there, but there is an access panel.
Yes.
So, hate to say it, not getting the plunger on this one.
But I think you can get everything done in there.
You can get her. Yeah, you can get her done.
Get her done, she said. All right, everybody. If you like this little Flagstaff Microlite, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.